Exactly, yes. I am teaching my singer how to play drums, and this is week 2 of 4, because I'm going to teach her for a whole month and trying to get her to play our song, Criminal.
Here it is.
Banger. Last week, we got the basics down. We got a basic 8th note groove. This week, we're going to get you starting to put more of an interesting bass drum pattern, a more accurate bass drum pattern, because we've simplified it. Just because it would be impossible to jump straight in. That's not fair. And also cover a whole bunch of other bits and bobs that are going on in the song. So let's get into it. Let's do it.
Hammer's got the sticks, Alona's got the groove. 4 weeks of practice, we got something to prove. Kick that bass drum, snare it up in time, learning all the rhythms, making them alright. Drumming lessons, beat by beat we play. Drumming sessions, Emma leads the way.
Hello. It is Thursday, so it's technically been a week since me and Emma started doing lessons. I didn't practice yesterday because I was really exhausted and basically just slept like all day. I don't know why. So I'm going to try and practice for a bit longer today. I'm also going to try wearing shoes. I've got some Converses on today. I just want to see, I'm just curious to see if it's more comfortable. When we had our last lesson, a lot of the issues that I'd been having about just like my positioning and stuff, Em had said it honestly might just be a case of adjusting the kit and I might just need to move some things around, so I think I'll probably try and do that today. So we're going to try. We're going to have another go and we'll see how it goes. Let's go. Right. My logic with not wearing shoes is I thought I wouldn't drive in just socks. That would feel really uncomfortable. So I thought maybe just having socks on was too sensitive. I should try shoes. We're going to try shoes today, see if it makes any difference. Right. Weighing down the pedals feels a lot easier with shoes on. So this might be different. 1 and 2 and 3. She literally said to go like dummy slow, dummy slow. Take it real easy. Don't worry, we'll just fast forward this bit. You don't have to watch me doing this. Dun dun bum 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 bum. Without messing it up. Yay! I think we're going to call that a wrap. I felt good today. I felt like I did somewhat good progress. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
1, 2.
1, 2, babes. 1, 2.
Lesson number 3, week number 2. How are you feeling, Pronto?
Like I'm not very good at drums.
Considering you're a week in, not an uncommon feeling. I'm thinking we get a simple version of the second half of the song. Yep.
Something like that, from what I remember.
That's basically it.
I'm not very good at drums.
Let's just give that a crack. You've already got it, I'm pretty sure. You got that so easy. Yeah. You don't need me. So you've got that dead easy. Let's play it with the song.
I'm just so good.
So this is the fill at the end. So
Okay. Oh. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
go to what we call neutral position. Yeah, that's for
Okay.
precise. Lift high with the right. 1,
1,
tap,
trip,
tap. Lift with the left.
2,
tap,
trip, tap, 3
tap,
triplet.
tap.
Oh, sorry.
Yep.
1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 1 triplet.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, go on with you.
1 tap. Yep.
2 triplet,
Yep.
3 triplet. What's
Oh my
this?
god.
What's this?
I am jumping quite a few levels here.
Oh,
So no.
that's in between. Okay,
it's
so hold
in
on.
between.
Let me try and interpret this.
I think you're gonna get it.
No. Okay. Brain go burr.
So take
Why-
it really, really linearly
Okay.
and go hands together, hi-hat, bass drum.
What? Okay, so
Two.
2
And
3
stop there. So
and
just that. Stop!
2
and
3.
Shiki jiki dip.
2 and 3.
Very good.
But the cat is back! Look at it!
Oh my god! So there you have it, get on with it. Let's see how you do this week. Let's see where we get by the end of this week.
I feel a lot more confident. I was feeling really quite rubbish last week.
You're killing it, you'll be fine.
But I feel a lot better. I think now that I'm getting more into the... Because I'm listening to the song, I actually have immediate feedback of like, oh, this is what this is supposed to sound like.
Cool, amazing.
Okay, cool.
Get on with it.
Okay. Hello. We're back again with a late night drum practice. Luckily no one's home, so no one will shout at me. The lesson with Emma yesterday was really good. I appreciated that she kind of changed things up because I was feeling more motivated playing the actual song than I was doing exercises. So I guess we'll just get on with it. Let's go in. Let's dive in. So I'm just gonna have to keep doing this round and round and round and round and round and round until I get it, which is not going to be that interesting for you guys, but here we are. I took the stick. I chucked the stick onto the floor. I think we're going to call it there for today. But this is good. This is getting fun now. So I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Hello. I have limited time today. I say we, the royal we. I don't have much time today because I have a work meeting in like 30 minutes because I've managed my time really well. So we're just going to dive in. Just going to dive on in. Gosh, why? What is it with the pinkies? This was fine yesterday. I don't know why I'm struggling with this so much today. My brain is not woken up. My body's not woken up. It wants to go back to sleep. So I think we're going to stop. We'll try again tomorrow. Oh. Hello, we're back again. I really did not have a good time yesterday. My brain was not working. I had to stop. We did like 20 minutes, if that, and it just felt like nothing was going in. So let's hope that we feel a little bit better today, though I'm really tired. I was really getting in the zone then. Oh, that was my glasses. I think I'm going to stop there for today. I think I'm having a similar problem today as I did yesterday, which was brain not happening, brain not want to cooperate. So we're going to stop, and I've got a lesson with Emma tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit more fruitful.
Boys and girls, we're in the second lesson of the second week, and I'm getting a cold, so if you hear a lot of sniffs through this, deal with it. Today is an exciting day because we are going to play the actual song. I've written the sheet music, and you can have it too. I think he's going to be down here. Yeah, I said it. I've committed now. It's going to be down here.
Oh my god.
So just play 2 and 1 and 2 and close.
Nice.
We did it.
What's that?
So take a guess.
I've no idea.
So what beat that you go on about very often would happen to have 2 notes coming down?
is it
at
a
the same-
flan?
Oh, she said it. She said it. You're going to want to have the right hand going higher.
Okay, so how much higher? Is that this?
You want, okay, so 100% up. So it's not about the elbow. It's not about this.
Okay.
It's about arm up.
Okay.
So up 100% and then 50% for the other one. Drop them at the same time. Aim for the middle.
Oh.
What you're doing is you're bringing down, even though they come from different
Oh,
heights,
so
you're dropping them the right hand at a faster speed because your brain is like, no, these must come down together.
and you thought I didn't need you. You were wrong. That was close. I'm sorry.
Let the left hand drop just a little bit before.
Is that right? You could have said the left hand thing earlier.
That gulping noise is going to pick up so good on this mic. She's a lady.
So I found that when I'm doing the triplets bit,
Yeah.
I'm, instead of wanting to go up and down on the hi-hat, I'm really wanting to go wee.
Yes, don't do that.
No,
Your
okay.
name is not Ringo.
Oh,
No, that's not.
I thought it was. Bless you.
Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video of me teaching my singer how to play drums, don't worry, there will be 2 more. Yeah, because I'm teaching her for a whole month.
I'm gonna get even gooder.
Even more gooder. But like I said, through this video, if you would like the score for the song we are playing, and if you would like to learn along with Alona, then you can. Okay, we will see you next week, where Alona will be a week better.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Either way, have a great day, week, month, year, life even.
Subscribe. Like this video. It pays our bills.
She did her makeup for you.
I did my. I don't do my makeup normally because I
I
can't be
didn't.
bothered.
I didn't because I don't like doing makeup.
So, you know,
That's worth a subscribe.
I'll be
all by
deeply
itself.
upset. Honestly, I will go cry. I'm gonna cry all over this extension.
Actually, do it
box
now.
bit.
I wasn't expecting you to do it.
Cry. Honestly, what am I gonna do? I've got nothing left.
Never felt so. It's just a quick. It's soul crushing. It hurts. Either way, have a great day. Big love.
Bye.
Chaos.